Imagine for a moment, what if the skills you take for granted every day could be your ticket to true financial freedom? Today, you're not just kidding about side gigs. We are about revolutionizing your entire approach to work. Are you ready to break free from the conventional 9 to 5 and dive into a world where your talent becomes your currency? Your currency? Welcome, truth seekers and aspiring trailblazers. In this journey, we'll dismantle old paradigms and reconstruct a framework where your unique abilities aren't just hobbies, they are powerful tools that can generate real income. This isn't merely advice, it's a call to action for anyone who dares to challenge and status quo. Identify and hone your core talents. Before you step into the freelance area, ask yourself, what makes you exceptional? It's time to peel back the layers of mediocrity. Whether you are a digital wizard, a creative storyteller, or a problem-solving virtuoso, acknowledge your brilliance. Remember, the first step in converting talent into money is to thoroughly understand and refine your skill set. This is your intellectual arsenal, sharpen it, and don't let anyone tell you that passion alone isn't enough. 2. Build a portfolio that shouts your worth. Now let's talk about visibility. A robust portfolio isn't just about a collection of work. It's your digital manifesto. Think of it as the revolution of your ideas into tangible proof of your expertise. Use every project, every success story as a stepping stone to create an online presence that leaves potential clients with no choice but to say, I need this genius on my team. Remember, in the freelance universe, your portfolio is both your shield and your sword. 3. Leverage online platforms to connect with clients. The digital world is your playground, filled with the dynamic marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. But here is a twist. B. Don't settle for being just another profile among thousands. Dive deep into these platforms, research trends, optimize your profile, and engage with communities. Use data, analytics, and even a bit of daring self-promotion to transform your digital footprint into a beacon for opportunity. Ask yourself, if traditional paths limit you, why shouldn't digital space amplify your voice? 4. Master the art of client acquisition and relationship building. Every interaction with a potential client is an opportunity for a mental and professional revolution. Craft your pitches with precision, turning each proposal into a persuasive narrative that merges your expertise with the client's needs. Here's where the intellect battle begins. Challenge outdated expectations, offer innovative solutions, and establish relationships built on trust and respect. This isn't just business. It's the evolution of how value is exchanged in our modern world. 5. Scale your freelance business like a true visionary. Finally, envision your freelance career not as a series of isolated gigs, but as a scalable empire. Once you have mastered individual projects, look for ways to automate, delegate, and innovate further. Consider collaborations, mentorship, or even creating digital products that echo your unique perspective. The aim is to platform every freelance transactions into a long-term investment in your own future. Dare to ask, why settle for incremental gains when you can architect a legacy? As we warp up this journey, remember, the freelance world isn't for the faint of heart. It depends relentless passion, calculated risk-taking, and unwavering commitment to redefining what work means in the modern era. Now is the moment to step into your power, embrace your talents, build your empire, and let every project propel you towards greatness. Are you ready to stop dreaming and start dominating? Hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's disrupt the conventional together. Because in this world, if you don't create your own path, someone else will pave it for you. Turn your talent into your currency. The revolution starts with you.